Hi, it's Toronto's real estate team at RE/MAX, and here is our May 2016 Toronto Real Estate Market Report. Wow, wow, and wow again. The Toronto real estate market hit new records in May for many sales statistics. I'll comment more on that in this broadcast as we go through the market report. So let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics and see what's happened. Sales were up 10.5% for May compared to last year, with 12,870 houses and condominiums changing hands in all the districts. Sales are actually up 34% above the last 16-year monthly average. Condo, townhouse, and high-rise suites took a 30.7% share of the market, with 3,945 units being sold. This percentage of the overall market is about average for May. The May average sale price for all GTA homes came in at an astounding $751,908, a significant 15.7% higher than last year. The active listing inventory is one of the strongest indicators of how smooth or outrageous the market has been. We had a 41% decline in inventory for the month of May compared to historical numbers, and lower by 30% from last year at this time. The sales to listings, or percent chance of selling ratio, is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market, below 24% is a buyer's market, and above 28% is a seller's market. In May, that ratio finished at 99.5%, up 37% from last year's result, and the highest I've seen for any month ever. We're now into an extreme seller market territory, and the spring market still has one more month to go. The days on market average for Toronto homes was just 15. So let's look at what's happening in the downtown Toronto condominium market. West of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO1 Treb district, the average sale price for May was $479,000. That average moved up 7.1% from the same time last year. With 616 condo sales in the month, the numbers were up 44% compared to 2015. There were 1,255 active listings on the market in May, 17% fewer than last year. The ratio of sales to listings was 49.1%, which puts CO1 into busy seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 23, 2 days faster than last month. Now, east of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 Treb district, the average sale price for May was just under $474,000. That number was up 6.7% compared to 2015. And with 202 condo sales in the month, the numbers were up 30% from last year. There were 329 active listings on the market in May, down 20% from 2015. The ratio of sales to listings was 61.4% for the month. That number puts CO8 solidly into hot seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 22, 2 days slower than last month. We had some more best numbers ever in May. We broke more records during the month. Here's the long list of bests for May. We had the highest number of sales in any month ever, and the highest ever ratio of sales to listings. Also, the lowest ever number of active listings. This time last year, we had over 18,500 homes to choose from. We had the most condo sales in 1 month, and the highest ever average sale price. This month, we're looking at the Toronto Real Estate Board chart for average sale price statistics going back to 2004. I've specifically highlighted the average sale prices for 2006, May 2015, and May 2016. Between the 10-year span from 2006 to 2016, the average sale price increased by almost exactly $400,000 for an average of $40,000 per year. This is pretty significant since many people would be hard-pressed to keep up or exceed the market's appreciation by putting aside more than $40,000 every year towards their down payment. Now look at the average sale price increase just in the last 12 months. That number is over $100,000, way above the 10-year average. We're already seeing a shift over to the condo market, with downtown sales in May up 29 to 44% east and west of Yonge from 1 year ago. So what's a terrific way to make your first baby step into Toronto's real estate market and find out where those more affordable choices are? The best first step is to go on a market experience tour of condo or house neighborhoods with one of our team members. Leave your checkbook at home. What a tour is not intended to do is show you homes with the intention that you'd immediately buy one. What it is intended to do is give you an opportunity to get a clearer idea of what's available on the market in your favorite parts of the city and in your price range, without worrying about being pressured into having to make an immediate buying decision. Once you've had your tour, we want you to go back home and think about what you saw. You'll then be better able to set up a good home buying plan and make smart, educated decisions about where and when you want to be in your new home. You can sign up for your condo tour at marketexperiencetour.com and a tour of houses at dailytorontohometours.com. Check back here in early July for our June 2016 Toronto Real Estate Market Report.